All right, I'm going to go over how to manage your vehicles within the plugin. So right now I just have a default theme installed. Yours may look different, of course, but the steps should be the same. So if you go to your WordPress dashboard, everything's going to be controlled under vehicles. So if we click on that, we have a whole bunch of options. We can add a vehicle, or we can control different things like the types. So by default, your theme will come with 3 types. You can remove them if you want to use different types. They don't necessarily need to be the same ones. And then makes. This is where we'll add some makes such as Ford, Audi. Let's go and just toss some in real quick for example's sake. And then under models, we're going to add models and they will be associated with makes. So for example, A3, we can add that in. And if you get this error up here, don't worry, just refresh the page and you'll see that it's been added. That will be fixed shortly. So we added A3 in focus, and you can adjust the associated make easily down here. And then you'll see when you add them, they'll be associated. And if you didn't associate with the right one, don't worry, you can always edit it and update the associated make. So pretty easy stuff there. Let's go and add an example, and we'll just call this one Ford Focus. It'll be a car, it'll be a Ford and a Focus. And then we can add a sample description. And I'm going to go and just fill out these fields. You can, of course, leave some of these blank. But for example's sake, we're going to go ahead and fill most of these out. All right, so the cool thing about a couple of these options is you see this other. And if you see a color in here that's not one listed, so for instance, let's say our exterior is orange, you can add that in manually. And you can do the same for transmission or drivetrain, all sorts of options. Then the last thing we have is media, and you can just upload some images. I just uploaded these images, and you can either select them one at a time to bring them in, or select multiple images at once. You can drag and drop to reorder, or you can delete the images as well. And then you can set a featured image if your theme supports it. Let me see. All right, and then let's go ahead and publish this, and I'll show you how it's going to display. If you view the vehicle, this theme supports a featured image up here. Yours may or may not, but this content should display the same. You have your description, your list of options that you filled out, and then your gallery down here. It's pretty easy to create the vehicles and adjust the options as needed. That covers that.